let's do a quick unboxing of the Criquet Navy Terrycloth Polo. Let's call it an unbagging. Ordered, came pretty quickly. Seems to be a seasonal shirt. And what I mean when I say a seasonal shirt is that they don't introduce it year-round. I guess they don't have it in the winter months or something like that. It's more of a summer shirt. And it's 100% cotton terrycloth. And let's get this open and take a look. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the video fast because I'm not sure if this will be an interest, but I've been eyeing this shirt for a while. And then when it came on sale, figured I'd pick it up and see what people think. Now, this is in double extra large, and because I figured when I wash it, it's going to shrink a little bit. And I didn't want to get an extra large and it's too small, but this is pretty wide because some of these things have a narrower fit. I guess they call it an athletic fit. Doesn't have any buttons up here. It's nice. It's a terrycloth material. Terrycloth material. 100% terrycloth cotton. And they say they call this the Criquet pocket. But it's a little bit wide, wider than I expected it to be. I expected it to be a little bit narrower. But let's take a look. Made in India. Lots of things coming from India. And we'll see what I think of it. Also, we'll see what I think after it washes. Hopefully this helps. Have a great day. So it's not a soft terrycloth like the terrycloth hats that people wear like Scooby-Doo. I really think that it's going to shrink after it's washed a little bit. That's why I bought the size that I bought. I also like a lot of freedom of movement. My wife says I just buy big shirts that are too big for me, but I just really like the freedom of movement and not feeling constrained anywhere because of my athletic build. There are no slits on the sides here where you'll see on a lot of polo shirts. You'll see little slits on the sides, but they don't have them there. It does have a little Criquet thing on the sleeve here. It has washing instructions inside. Cold wash and then tumble dry soft, but I'll probably hang dry it because I think if I put it in a dryer it would dry too fast. I like the pocket a lot because you could easily stick a pen in there for those of us still carrying pens. But hopefully this helps. Fast video about the unboxing of the Criquet shirt.